Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to add a subdomain in your hosting a website. So let us get in. So just for reference, a subdomain is, as you see at the top over here, it is a domain before your main domain. So this hpanel.hostinger.com, that is the subdomain part, the hpanel. All right, so what we're going to do is go up to websites at the top, and if you go to the right hand side, you'll see it says add website. Once you click on that, you have two options. Okay, you have WordPress and you have hosting a web builder. It is very important to know that it's only possible to do this with your WordPress websites. On the left hand side of these websites, you can see this bottom one over here, this red mule builder. This was created with the hosting a website builder. These two over here, as you can see, was created with the WordPress builder, and that is very important. So we're going to go over and tap on manage, and you do need a custom domain to actually do this. You cannot use one of their temporary free domains that they give you before you actually purchase a plan. So we're going to go down here and we're going to look for domains on the left hand side, and you're going to tap on that, and you will now clearly see subdomains. Here you can go ahead and add one here by just saying, for example, apps, and this will now be apps dot and your main domain. We're going to tap on the create button, and this will now add this subdomain. You can now use this subdomain when you are creating separate websites that are linked to your main domain. If this was a helpful guide, go ahead, drop us a like, and we will see you in another awesome video. Peace out.